Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon Associates for native shopping ads in US, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Amazon Associates homepage. Log into your Amazon Associates account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools menu. From the drop-down, select Product Linking. Here, find and click on Native Shopping Ads. You will see options for different types of ads. Select the type of native shopping ad you wish to configure. On the configuration page, you will see fields for ad settings. Start by naming your ad for easy identification. Choose the ad type, such as recommendation or search. Next, set the ad size according to your website layout. You will now customize the appearance of the ad. Select the colors, fonts, and styles that match your branding. Scroll down to configure the product categories. Choose relevant product categories for your audience. Next, specify the layout preferences for displaying the ads. Here, you can also adjust the number of products shown in the ad. After customizing, review the settings to ensure everything is as desired. Once satisfied, click on the Get Code button. A code snippet will be generated for your ad. Copy this code to your clipboard. Now, head to your website or blog editor. Find the placement for the ad on your site. Paste the code snippet where you want the native shopping ad to appear. Save your changes and ensure it's published. Refresh your website to see the ad in action. Monitor the performance of your native shopping ads in your Amazon Associates dashboard. Make adjustments as needed based on performance metrics. That's it, you have successfully configured Amazon Associates for native shopping ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.